Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a bass filter mockup in Photoshop. Quick, easy and professional. Let's go start it. At first, we select a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. And right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object. Rename the layer and double click on it to open in a new tab. Let's put your design here. Add some text. Now go to File and click on Save option. You can see your design here is updated. Now hold Ctrl button from keyboard and click here. Then select background layer and press Ctrl J. Now press Ctrl Shift and U from keyboard. For the saturation level is 0. Again press Ctrl J 2 times and rename the layers light, midtone and shadow. Turn off the light and midtone layer and select the shadow layer and change normal mode to linear burn. Then turn on the midtone layer and change the layer mode normal to linear dodge add and press Ctrl L for levels and adjust the levels points. Then turn on the light layer and change layer mode normal to screen. You can press Ctrl L and adjust the levels. Then you can see our mockup is ready. Very easy and quick process. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. And you can download this mockup. The download link in the description box.